that the saw is rusting, but it's still sharp. That is because Corona is one of the best brand or company that makes it. If you get a tool that rusts but still sharp, it's a good brand. Let's test it out once more to see if it works. I'm halfway through. We're basically killing ourselves by chopping down trees because trees gives us oxygen. The reason my dad dug the hole down at the tree, which apparently my cats are pooping into, is because he wants to remove the stump as flat as he can, you know, with the chainsaw. But, you know, once the chain hits the ground, it's gonna become dull. So, this is a one-time deal. And I'm gonna go back to sawing this. I could just use an axe, but my dad won't let me. As you can see, I've already cut it down. Just a little extra to move. Before I said that my dad, when he cut the tree stump, it was going to be dull. So my dad has these boxes of chains right here that I can use again, or I replace the chainsaw. So right now we're going to start by removing these bricks and maybe use the chainsaw. You know, I really want to use the chainsaw, but my dad probably won't let me use it until I'm 18 or 15. Do you hear that sweet sound of human engineering? Right here. I have to stay 3 or 4 feet away from it. You can see that it cut down all the way to the stump. And now all my dad has to do is fill it back up with dirt and then plant grass seeds. And you really have to use a strong brand chainsaw like this to chop it the side down. It cuts it like a butter knife to butter. But don't use a cheap one like this Homelite one that doesn't work anymore. As you can see, it looks like there's never been a tree, let alone a stump, here. Anyways, after this, you would sprinkle some grasses around the place where the tree was chopped off. Like what I'm saying now. So I'm Aiman, and thanks for watching. And in the future, I might do a segment of comparing the 3 chainsaws I have. Please like, rate, comment, and subscribe. And look at other videos by EyeOnAiman and Malay USA. And anyways,